Just take money to make money. I had a gentleman reach out to me and told me he's been following me for a while now, and over the years he's been seeing the growth in what I'm doing and what I'm talking. And he was like, you know what, man, I want to invest in your consultation because I believe in what you're speaking about. I mean, I'm watching your actions. Your actions are speaking louder than words. And my consultation fee of the independence of welding, I'm teaching you how to make money, how to start your LLC, how to get your EIN, how to invest money, how to use a job to overcome, to get the money you need if your credit ain't right, so that way you can establish your business. I mean, there are so many things that I can teach you, so many tricks to the trade as far as how to come in. Instead of, wasting time getting your head, getting headaches because you don't understand what's going on. There is a system, there is a way you have to approach this. And that's all I'm trying to do with this independence of welding consultation fee, is to help you know how to do what need to be done. Hog on.